Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Naturally-Roshani, here again with another video. Today's video is a how-to video. I will be showing you guys how to deep condition your hair and all that good stuff. I already washed my hair. Guys, you go ahead and watch any wash that video on my channel. You guys are gonna see how I do wash my hair. So today I'm gonna show you guys how apply my deep conditioner on my hair. I do have 4 quadrants all over. All right, and my hair is dripping wet. So I will be using the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Deep Treatment Mask. Restores, strengthens dry, damaged hair. So guys, let's go ahead and let's get started. So guys, I like to start off by unraveling the twists. And then obviously I just washed my hair, so I'm here trying to get the excess water out of the hair. And then I'm gonna start off with applying the deep conditioner in my hair. As you guys have seen, I do use quite a lot of conditioner because my hair is thick. And yeah, if I don't use a lot of conditioner, I feel like my hair is not like, you know, some of the hair strands are not being they're not being coated in the conditioner. So I will, like, you know, use the conditioner multiple times in one section. All right guys, so I will keep doing it. I'm just gonna keep on, you know, spreading the, you know, the conditioner in my hair, guys. And once that part is done, I feel like my hair is well coated, I'm going ahead and put the twist on there. I'm gonna go ahead and twist my hair and put it up and move on to the next section. And then I'm just going to repeat the same method all through the hair. Yes, and so you guys sit down and just watch me, you know, applying this deep conditioner in my hair. And you guys, you don't have to follow me. You can always come up with your own type of way of doing it, because again, your hair is different. Our hair is different. Okay, so you know, you just have to find which conditioner works best for you, which method works best for you and stuff like that. Because I've seen some people mixing their deep conditioners with oils and stuff like that, just to make it easier to penetrate in the hair strands. Again, you just gotta have to find whatever works for you and do it.
I think we gotta tell the truth. You and me don't need this attitude. I can tell you're ready for love. I don't really know what that means at all. Still trying to learn what it is to love. Still trying to figure out what happened to us. Things changed when you went back home without. I heard all about you from those other guys. They tell lies. I don't wanna know if you have been with these other guys or other men. And I just wanna say, I'm the one that stayed, I'm the one that prayed, I'm the one that paid for all their mistakes. Remember all the things I did, remember saying, oh yeah, holy matrimony is just a testimony. Tell me how it is when I'm really with you, how you really is, boo. Oh, real one. African blood, I could give you like 6 sons and 100 daughters in the water. Yeah, I'm the wave, baby. Can we take it to the first date, baby? First time that we ever start to lay, baby. Oh my God, I just want you and me to go back to the first day that we met. But I have no regrets. To the first day, take me back to the first day. Take me back to the first day, before we ever start to late. Remember saying, oh yeah, holy matrimony It's just a testimony. Tell me how it is when I'm really with you. How you really is, boo. Real one. African blood, I could give you like 6 sons and 100 daughters in the water. Yeah, I'm the wave, baby. Can we take it to the first date, baby? First time that we ever start to lay, baby. Oh my God, I just want you and me to go back to the first day that we met. But I have no regret.
So guys, I have my plastic bag here that I'm going to use to cover my hair. Since I'm going to take my son to the to the park, I'm about to say to the gym, to the park, I am going to wear my bandana in order to hide the plastic bag, obviously, and to also trap more heat, create more heat, you know, in order to deep condition my hair, since I am not going to be sitting under the hood and dry today. And there we go. So I am ready to deep condition my hair. So I will deep condition my hair as long as I can. It says, let's sit for 30 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Some of them is a little less than that. So this will stay on my hair about 30 minutes to an hour, because that is how much time we are going to be spending at the park today. And then I will come back and wash my hair so you guys can see the results, or see if there is any difference in the feeling of my hair and all that good stuff. So I will see you in a few minutes, about 30 to an hour. Y'all, see you back. All right, y'all, so I am back again. It's been an hour and 30 minutes and I'm ready to wash this deep conditioner out of my hair. So guys, let's get started with this. I'm going to turn on the water in the sink. So today I'm not ready to be doing this in the shower because I'm tired and I don't want to wash. I don't want to clean no floor, anything like that. So guys, first of all, let me tell you guys, my hair felt so soft. I hope you guys could see that. Hopefully you guys can see it and kind of get an idea of, you know, how my hair maybe kind of feels. And this towel was gonna get on my nerves. I decided to put it down. So yes, guys, let me tell you guys, my hair is so soft. And I feel like this is one of the best deep conditioner routine I've ever done in my whole natural hair journey, and I am going to be sharing my natural hair journey soon. Yes, so now guys, I am going to twist that part and move on to the next part, guys. So guys, stay tuned for that video. Like I said, my hair feels really nice and soft. The strands feel strong as well, and I didn't really lose that much hair while I was detangling, and also while I am washing my hair. You guys can see my hair is not falling out, even though there are some little strands here and there, but like it's not falling out, you know. And this is a part where like I am showing you guys how soft my hair feels like. And seriously, it is one of the best deep conditioning routine I've ever done, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, guys. And if you haven't yet subscribed, and if it's your first time, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. It really makes me happy and it's making me grow. If you have been here throughout watching my videos and supporting me, I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. God bless you guys.
Come close to me, lay your head on my shoulder. We don't have to speak, we can just sit in the silence, listening to the trees, watching the rain through our window. There's no place I'd rather be. We can just linger a while.
Yay, guys, I am done washing my hair, guys. I got the towel up there trying to take it out. My hair is nice and dry. Well, not like dry to the point where it's crusty dry, but like the water is not running it down. This is what I'm using today. Can2 Shea Butter for Kids leave-in conditioner. Yes, so this is what I'm using today as my leave-in. And guys, this is what I do, y'all. Basically just have the conditioner run it through my hair strands. Again, I will use it a couple times on my hair strands. I had to edit this part out because it was way too long. So yes, so just keep on like adding this conditioner until like I feel like my hair strands have been coated in the conditioner, guys, because my hair is very thick, and I feel like if I don't use a lot of conditioner, I feel like I'm wasting my time. And here we are going to seal the moisture by using the Blue Magic Hair Food Grease. You can never go wrong with this stuff, guys. It is the best stuff. Like I feel like my hair is always moisturized and it lasts longer while I add this hair grease or hair food, Blue Magic, whatever you want to call it, on my hair. It's like one of the best products in my hair routine. Well, guys, sit tight and keep watching. Thank you guys for your support. And again, I will go ahead and put my hair in these little plaits. Okay, and this is gonna be my style for the rest of the week, until like 2 weeks later. I will probably do another wash day and all that good stuff. So I will continue doing this for the rest of the video, for the rest of the hair, for the rest of my hair, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for your ongoing support. Until next time, guys, deuces.
Get out the way, I've been feeling myself, I've been trying to keep it all on track. I can tell you took your time, I've been thumbing through your gram like that. Bring my energy back, girl, you're something like the sunlight. Girl, you're something like the sunshine. You got the touch, girl, you got the best. Sending dirty pics, ooh, what's next? We should link up, let me guess. Flying overseas, make us. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Keep it 100, keep it solid. It's a lone wolf, you know I'm wildin'. Stepping outside, feeling fresh, real to the death, see it all over me. Like the fire, yeah, that's pressure. Know you feel it, she keep dancing, it's electric. We can take our time, girl, we living in the moment. No, it don't stop, yeah, we too lit. We just pull up, then it's deuces. Too much talking, they don't do shit. I'ma take my time, cause I'm living in the moment, yeah. Let me take my time, cause I'm living in the moment, yeah. We should take our time, we just living in the moment. I make it easy, 2 steps in these shoes, you can't beat me. Got a cold heart in me, I'm freezing. It's a poppin', now they acting like they need me. You don't need me, that shit is called leeching. Can't charge these no freebies. Turn it up, like the fire, yeah, that's pressure. Know you feel it, she keep dancing, it's electric. We can take our time, girl, we living in the moment. No, it don't stop, yeah, we too lit. We just pull up, then it's deuces. Too much talking, they don't do shit. I'ma take my time, cause I'm living in the moment, yeah. We should take our time, we just living in the moment, yeah.
Top down, eastbound on the interstate. Hit waves, sun gaze, find that inner space. Plant my feet up in the sand, do a figure 8. Be great, get paid, fillet up on the dinner plate. Try to stay present while I plot some bigger things. Shifting how I perceive what being a winner means. I mean, I guess I'm doing pretty good considering all the crazy I've been through. Figured I'd be withering. Weather never better, even with the stormy days. Cause how we gon' see light without the dark and boring phase? Hibernate a little, then I set the sun ablaze. Seeing new reflections within that summer haze. Getting hype up off the chase. Well, I don't know how to act though. Discovering what's more important than my cash flow. Still looking for abundance, that's a fact though. Right now, all I wanna do is relax though. Top down with my head high. We just all tryna get by. Clear skies and I'm mesmerized. Let's ride. Top down with my head high. We just all tryna get by. shining with that clear sight. Transformation, no exhausting, I can feel the light. Hit a flight to Panama this weekend, yeah, I might. Tried on every mask, but not a single one fit right. To my sanity, I'm trying to keep the grip tight. Almost lost it, but ain't giving up on this fight. Rolling Zola when these bros trying to stay the night. I'm like, nah, and they get all salty like, oh, alright. Present for the insight, and I don't wanna rush. Find a balance between real love and living lush.
All right, y'all, I am done with my hair. I got plaits on here, so I'm gonna stay with these for 2 weeks, and I will do another wash day. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.
Onward and above, only up and up and up. Top down.